Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Today's video is about the results of Tata Motors and LIC. Tata Motors total sales July to September 2023 1,05,128 crores and July to September 2024 1,01,450 crores, 3% down. Net profit 3,832 crores in September 2023, September 2024 3,343 crores, 13% down. Last 5 quarter financials of Tata Motors: July to September 2023, total sales 1,05,128, then it became 1,10,577 crores, then 1,19,986 crores, then June 2024 1,08,048 crores, September 2024 1,01,450 crores. Net profit 3,832 crores, 7,145 crores, 17,529 crores, 5,692 crores, 3,343 crores. This is the trend of the financials. Weak results for Tata Motors in this quarter. It was much below analyst expectations. Its profit margin has also fallen in this quarter. During the quarter, JLR revenue was down 5.6% due to temporary supply constraints. Commercial vehicle revenue was down by 13.9% and passenger vehicle revenue was down by 3.9%. Tata Motors said the festive season and substantial investment in infrastructure should help improve its performance in the coming quarters. JLR wholesale business is expected to improve sharply as supply problems are getting solved. The business is expected to be net debt-free by this year. Between January 2024 and July 2024, the shares rallied from around 780 to 1161, which is a rise of 50%. However, since then the shares have been weak and today's closing price was 805. Hence, it has fallen by 31% and reached almost January 2024 levels. In 2023 also, it appreciated from 388 to 780, which is a jump of 101% in last 1 year. So this is a consolidation after a huge rise. The results were announced today evening after market hours. The shares will react to the results on Monday. It could fall further because of the weak results. 52-week high 1179, 52-week low 644, current price 806. Returns for an investor: 1 year 26%, 5 years 37% per annum, 10 years 5% per annum. Now moving on to LIC quarterly financials. Net premium income July to September 2023 1,07,000 crores, July to September 2024 1.2 lakh crores, 12% higher. Net profit 8,032 crores and 7,729 crores in September 2024. This is a 4% fall. Decent results for LIC. LIC's solvency ratio, which determines a company's ability to meet its long-term financial obligations, improved to 1.98% from 1.9% a year ago. LIC said its market share improved by 2.57% to 61.07% during the April to September period. LIC's value of new business increased 37.7% to Rs 4,551 crores and its net value of new business margin improved by 1.6%. Between January 2024 and July 2024, the shares rallied from around 782 to 1188, which is a rise of 52%. Since then, it has fallen by around 23% to 915. It is below IPO price. As expected, the long-term performance has been very poor. It has been almost 2.5 years since it has listed in the stock market. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section, do you hold Tata Motors shares? If yes, type yes in the comment section, otherwise type no. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.